Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, technology package, cooled seats, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.